50 pounds of stubborn belly fat vanished in just 61 days. That is the bold claim currently splashing across websites that look exactly like legitimate news outlets. If you've been scrolling online and saw a headline about a miracle weight loss pill that every single judge on a famous investment show backed, you are being targeted. This is not a news report. It is a calculated, high-tech deception. The scammers behind this are building fake versions of major news sites, even mimicking the fonts and layouts you trust, just to sell you these weight loss gummies. They tell a story about two sisters named Anna and Samantha Martin. They claim these women walked onto a television set and convinced a panel of billionaires to invest millions of dollars. It sounds incredible. It sounds historic. But it is a complete fabrication. Those sisters do not exist in the way the ads claim. The investment never happened. Not a single person on that show has ever put their money behind these specific gummies. It is a script, a template used by scammers for years, simply rebranded with a new product name. They are also using the faces of celebrities like Kelly Clarkson and Jennifer Hudson without permission. You see these dramatic before and after photos, and you think they found a secret shortcut? They did not. These celebrities have no connection to these products. Their images are being hijacked to trick you into clicking that buy button. These ads even claim that famous daytime doctors and major medical journals have called this the holy grail of health. If you dig deeper, you will find that no such endorsements exist. There is no magic gelatin trick. There is no secret formula that melts fat while you sit on the couch. They even go as far as to list major publications like the New York Times, the Today Show, and Oprah magazine, claiming their product was featured there. It is a total lie. None of those legendary brands have ever written a single word about these gummies. It is all part of a fake digital landscape created to make you feel safe. Even the reviews on their sales pages are scripted. Those happy customers with the glowing testimonials, they do not exist. They are just stock photos matched with fabricated stories. What there is, however, is a very real danger to your bank account. Once you enter your information, you might find yourself trapped in a cycle of hidden subscription charges. These can amount to hundreds of dollars every single month. The websites often use fake countdown timers to create a sense of panic. They tell you only a few bottles are left. They promise free shipping, but only if you act right now. This is all designed to bypass your logic. They want you to act on impulse. Before you realize the whole thing is a house of cards, the contact information often leads to dead ends, or random post office boxes in California and Maryland. If you are looking for a real transformation, there are no shortcuts in a gummy bottle. Talk to a real medical professional. Do not let a fake news graphic or a stolen celebrity photo convince you to hand over your hard-earned money. Be vigilant, and remember that if it looks too good to be true, it almost certainly is.